Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken a International Maths Olympiad question 2023 and it is based on algebra inequality. The question is given A, B, C are positive real numbers such that A plus B plus C equals to 1. Prove that A over B plus C plus B over C plus A plus C over A plus B is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. So we'll start from this expression A plus B plus C is given to be 1. From this we can write B plus C equals to 1 minus A and C plus A equals to 1 minus B and A plus B equals to 1 minus C. Now to prove A over B plus C plus B over C plus A plus C over A plus B is greater than or equals to 3 by 2. This is same as we have to prove that A over 1 minus A plus B over 1 minus B plus C over 1 minus C is greater than or equal to 3 over 2. Now if I take three numbers A over 1 minus A, B over 1 minus B and C over 1 minus C, and I'll apply the arithmetic mean of these three numbers is greater than geometric mean, then I can write A over 1 minus A plus B over 1 minus B plus C over 1 minus C is greater than or equals to 3 times, because divided by 3 is arithmetic mean, 3 I am shifting to right hand side, cube root of A over 1 minus A multiplies B over 1 minus B multiplies C over 1 minus C, or A over 1 minus A plus B over 1 minus C plus C over 1 minus A. This is B, this C is greater than or equals to 3 times cube root of A, B, C. If we'll multiply these three terms, we'll get 1 minus A minus B plus AB minus C plus AC plus BC minus ABC. So in the next step, we'll simplify the denominator of the right hand side. Greater than or equals to 3 multiplies cube root of ABC. Here I'll take all A, B, C together so that I can make A plus B plus C as 1, and what remain is AC plus BC plus AB minus ABC, and this is given to 1. This 1 will be cancelled. So in the next line I'll get A over 1 minus A plus B over 1 minus B plus C over 1 minus C is greater than or equals to 3 times of cube root of, here I'll take ABC from the denominator common. If I take ABC, it will be 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by A minus 1. And this ABC will be cancelled. So in the next step, we are getting 1 minus A, B over 1 minus B plus C over 1 minus C is greater than or equals to 3 times of cube root of 1 by A, 1 over 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c minus 1. Next we'll go for a trick, same using arithmetic geometric mean. First I'm taking ABC. For ABC I can apply arithmetic mean is greater than the geometric mean. So a plus b plus c is greater than or equals to 3 times of cube root of ABC. And for 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c, we may write 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is greater than or equals to 3 times of cube root of 1 over a, 1 over b, 1 over c. Now I'll express this, multiply these two expressions to get what? A plus b plus c multiplies 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c is greater than equals to 3 multiplies 3, 9 into cube root of ABC multiplies cube root of 1 over ABC, which will be cancelled. So I am getting ultimately 3 multiplies 3, 9. And it is given that a plus b plus c is 1. So I am getting 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c is greater than or equal to 9. Then I'll go back to this expression, this one. For this I'll apply 9. So a over 1 minus a plus b over 1 minus b plus c over 1 minus c greater than or equals to 3 times of cube root of 1 over 1 by a place of 9 minus, what was it? 9 minus 1. This is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. So it is greater than or equals to 3 times you are getting cube root of 1 over 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. So this will be 3 into 1 by 2. So ultimately we could prove it. A plus b plus c plus b over c plus a plus c over a plus b is greater than or equals to 3 over 2. So proved. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.